In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Jotform via email. This is a simple and effective way to share your forms with others, whether you're gathering survey responses, event registrations, or collecting any other type of data. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you can follow along easily. First, you'll want to head over to jotform.com and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to your personal Jotform workspace. Here you can manage all your forms and make any necessary changes. Make sure you know where your forms are located, as we'll soon be navigating to the form you wish to send via email. Next, navigate to the My Forms section of your Jotform account. This is where all your created forms are stored. Browse through your list and click on the specific form you want to send. This action will take you directly into the form builder environment, allowing you to make further modifications if necessary before sharing. Now that you're in the Jotform form builder, look toward the top of the page. You should see an orange navigation bar. Within this bar, click on the Publish option. This is the starting point for sharing your form in various ways, including via email. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu. Click on Emails to proceed. This will open up several options related to email communication within Jotform. From here, select Share on Email. This selection will bring you to the email sharing interface, where we can set up everything needed to send out your form. Before sending, it's important to set the subject of your email. Think about what will be most clear and engaging for your recipients. A descriptive and friendly subject line encourages them to open the email. The next step involves editing the email content. The main feature of this content will be the link to your form. You can add a personal touch by including a brief introduction or explanation as to why you're sending this form, making recipients more likely to engage with it. Under the Recipients tab, you'll enter the sender's name as you wish it to appear to your recipients. Then carefully input the email addresses of up to 10 recipients. Make sure to double check these addresses to avoid any delivery issues. Finally, with everything set up, you're ready to send your form. Click the Send button to email the form link to the specified recipients. And there you have it, you've successfully sent a Jotform via email. This method not only saves time but also ensures your data collection process is streamlined and efficient. Thank you for watching and happy form sharing.